I don't know if this is recording. Has it started? Am I live? Let's see. Just testing. Am I live? Am I live? Okay. I got a lot going on in this man. The hell? Just turn off this Bluetooth. Are we live? A rookie. Why is the echo? If it's recording, it's recording. Turn this off. Anyway, if the live stream is going, then obviously this is my first backtesting session. I'm just here trying to backtest my strategy because obviously it's December, markets are starting to slow down. We've got FMC meeting today, as well as Federal Reserves having their news event. So I've had this level marked out, which is previous week high. The FMC meeting today, we've actually run that, so which is obviously the news event that just gone by. I'm not entertaining any trade setups currently until the new year, probably mid-January or end of January. Um, but yeah, so for the meantime, to basically scratch that itch, I'm just gonna be back testing on FX replay. But just a quick rundown. I was basically expecting price to come around this previous week high, and from there we could probably have a bearish DXY going into the next year. You got market maker sell modules resting down below. This looks like a consolidation to me. But yeah, I don't really expect anything from the market currently. If we go into the monthly chart, I've been looking at these highs for the longest. We've eventually just raided these highs. So smart money's just accumulated their short positions here. We could potentially see a reversal, or it may just continue going higher. But at this point in time, don't really know until the new year comes. But other than that, I'm not really looking to trade anything until next year. However, I've just been backtesting a lot, so I'll just go into my dashboard quickly. So basically, all the trades I've taken, majority of them, 57% are all buys and 72 are all sells. But it all varies on basically direction of the DXY. So if I were to go to my strategy right here, as you can see, win rate basically 59%, point 18, right? That's overall. It's 49 trades. I've won 29 trades and lost 20, right? Now, with that, 59 itself is a really good percentage, win rate percentage, to be fair, over these trades. But what I'm really doing right now is I'm doing like a 2 year basically back testing. I've already done 2021 from the start of January, I believe, or maybe 2020. But those dates I've already deleted it, so I just started a brand new one again. But I'm just trying to be consistent with my trading strategy. Whenever I execute my trades, I also journal because it just helps me to see where I'm going wrong. Like I'll basically go back and review these losing trades. It helps me basically, and on my winning trades as well. I also journal them. But yeah, that's really it. So I'm just gonna start back testing soon. But yeah, the last um back testing I did for August, you can see I've had some consistent wins. And basically, if I click open, it gives you like a framework of what I was doing and screenshots and that and notes. The reason why I just say good stage, good trade is because I already know what I'm looking for within the high time frame. So me just saying good stage is like reminding myself, this is where I'm looking to frame my trades. But yeah, so far let's say if we go down to session analysis, so you can see within this session so far I've taken 18 trades, I've won 6, sorry I won 12, lost 6. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna start back this, and I think I'm probably gonna be here for like an hour or two. Or 3, we'll see how we get on it. So yeah, back to where I was. I'm still bullish on the dollar. The target is basically this previous week high. That's my drawn liquidity right now. And just put DOL. Save that. Put this on the top. Right. Oh, what day of the week are we in? So this is Friday. Now, the date is the 19th of August 2022. I'm gonna go to 19th of August 2022. 19th of August 2022 is the next following week. Okay, so I'm gonna analyze the calendar first. Monday is nothing going on. Tuesday, nothing really. We've got late New York session news events, and we've got call durable good orders 8:30. ABC, and then we've got prelims. Nothing crazy. And then Friday, of course, we got call PCE price index. So I believe Friday is most likely going to be volatile. We still got Fed Chair Powell speaking as well. So most likely Monday, Tuesday, I might not find any good trade setups. And Wednesday, I could look to frame sign after the news release. But I'm still gonna be looking to see if I can find a good quality trades around these time frames anyway. But let's see just how we get on. So our directional bias for the next week is gonna be bullish. Reason being, we're gonna attack this previous move high, so that's gonna be my drawn liquidity. And so Monday, let's see what Monday got to offer. So for Monday, I'm expecting like a shallow protection into this previous day range. Within this body, there might be like a 4-hour fair value gap, which we could retrace into before it continue going higher. Now, of course, we've got news events earlier on down the week. It will be a case of either price having to Monday trade into the previous day range and continue higher, or it could potentially trade all the way down Monday, Tuesday, filling this fair value gap right here. And if it does that, we could expect an institutional order for entry drill to reaccumulate more orders to go higher up here. I'm basically wary of that. So let's see. Go back to the daily time frame. Put this in all time frame. So all time frame. Put daily. Fair value gap. Daily. Going to the 4-hour. I'm just gonna go to the next session. So it looks like from the open price is just rallying higher. It didn't really have much of a retracement in here. I would have favored that his price had come into this 4 hour fair value gap like a London Julius into this to reaccumulate more prices to go higher. But it just opened, it kind of just took off. So I'm gonna have my midnight opening price outlined. Monday, where's Monday midnight open? Here you go. Again, so right now, this doesn't look too convincing to me. So this is 7 a.m. New York. Change that to the 15. Push. Let's see what price I'm gonna do. I'm not interested in trading on Monday. I'm just kind of using it to see. As I'm gonna use it as a read on price. Now it's expanding higher. So I don't like what price is doing right now, to be fair. So it looks like we might rate this earlier than anticipated, which is fine. Just like consolidation. We'll move on to the next session. Okay, daily. So Monday open, it just started expanding aggressively towards the previous week high, which is also previous month high. This is Tuesday. Do we have any news on Tuesday? Nothing until 9:45. Okay, so we got consolidation here. Put midnight opening price. Going to draw on our chart, just make it easier. There you go. Does the fall look like? 4 hours quite sideways due to the consolidation. They opened rated these lows right here. This is Asia range, which is rated. This fair value gap's not fully filled. It opened, fell to take out previous candle low. It looks like it wants to expand higher. Asian run. We've got displacement. Still favor Tuesday to continue trading higher, to be fair. You see. Unfortunately, this doesn't look like the cleanest price action, to be fair. I don't see anything that's standing out to me right now. If anything, I would have preferred this candle to trade down lower and this candle continue going down lower to fill at least 50% of this fair value gap right here. And then we could have looked for like a 15-minute market maker model to then attack the previous month high, but right now this doesn't look like a probable setup, to be fair. So let's see, continue. What's happening right now? It's 8:30 coming up. We go strong displacement high. Okay. What does price want to do? Okay, so bullish order block. Again, it's not a probable trade. High probability trades out this. I would definitely just let go this day. Okay, so now this is looking good. Okay. It came into the 4 hour. Now what I'm looking for basically just a reversal from here. If price reverse from here, that's all I'm looking for. 9:45, the news release. Okay, let's see if we can get a reversal from here before our fair value gap is met. I'm looking for is a reversal. If not, can ditch today. Come on. Okay, looks like this might just continue tanking, to be fair. Okay, so it's looking good for our tapped into a bullish order block. Try and see the low of this candle right here. It's 108.79. So it looks like we have rated that low, but and again, like ICT says, the wick does the damage, the body tells the story, right? So right now we are below midnight opening price. This looks like a market maker buy model in play right now. And it's 10. This is prime time ICT silver bullet. Okay, so we've got a fair value gap created just down here. Okay, new 15-minute candle open. What I'm looking for is this candle right here. If it comes and dips into that, I'll be interested in buying from here. Okay, now price is there. Let's see between Euro USD. So we got Euro GBP. Which one is the strongest out of these two? So price rated these lows right here. Okay, so let's go into the daily chart. Got daily bullish order book as well in play. Do I have any 15-minute? This look like it most likely will continue going down. So I've got strong GBP. I'm expecting strong dollar. So Euro USD will be the weaker pair to trade in here. So if dollar is gonna go up, essentially Euro is gonna go down, right? So I'll put my stop loss up here. And let's see if we could get at least 2 hour right on this trade. No. The reason for me taking this trade again, of course, we got market maker buy models up here. We got previous Monfi up there. We came close, but we haven't rated just yet. Of course, we also have news events. No. I'm in two minds, right? It could come and tap into this fair value gap and reverse and continue going higher, or it could potentially come for this fair value gap down there. And I believe my stop loss is wide enough to be able to cover that. No, it's not. So let's go up here. For like a 20 pip stop loss. Go for like 2 or something like that. Okay, so go over the reason of entry again. Daily time frame. So we've already run a previous day high up there, but I expect price to continue going higher. Got a fair value gap right here. Price overshoot it. This right here is a bullish order block where we're taking our trade sell from. Now on this trade, 4 hour doesn't look too clean, so I'm probably gonna risk 0.5 of my equity on this trade. So yeah, let's go 0.5. Place order. 0.5 is 500, and let's just save for the time being. I don't want to channel anything. And I'm gonna manage my trade on the 15, and all the DXY on this side. DXY. Let's just see how this pans out. As this trade is moving, I'm also gonna look to shave risk, of course, if it's a winning trade. Let's move this up a little bit. Let's see how it goes. One thing I'll say is if you know your strategy and where you look to execute your trades, right? As long as you have calculated risk on the trade and you know your strategy work, there's no need to be scared or anything like that, over a long period of time, like it should compound, right? As long as you're managing your risk on trades. Let's see. I think it's probably going for that 5 minute fair value gap that I mentioned earlier. But let's see how this goes. Okay, so it looks like this might be a losing trade, which is fine, but just gonna hold and see. There you go. Stop loss tagged. Cool. Let's see, is he gonna continue going? Go. Okay, come on, let's see. There you go, I had the right idea. Trade is still going. It's just the stop loss. Could have probably made it wider. Just gonna see if my TP will get lost. He'll get tagged. At this point, when this trade start going down, I'll be shaving risk off the trade. I'll be looking to shave risk off the trade to minimize the full loss on it. Now I think it could potentially just come in here and continue going higher. Because this right here is a bullish order block, right? And I would expect next candle to continue trading higher. And this should go down lower. If not, we still got this fair value gap left, not filled. Let's just speed this up. It's going. But overall, you see that was a winning trade because the framework still, all the framework was there. It's just a stop loss placement. Now, if I wanted to be in absolute safe, if I wanted to have a safe stop loss, I could have put it up here. But then obviously that would have been a bigger or lost on the trade itself, right? But I'm not mad at this at all. You see that? continue going down. Come on, let's see. This is also late in the New York sessions, 3 p.m. Uh, let's just move on to the next trade. But overall, good setup. Stop loss placement, one of the best. I'm not mad, I've only lost to 0.5% on that trade. And let's go back to the DXY. But the framework was good. Like, framework was good. Okay, so next day, I'm hoping that this previous move I still stay intact. So I'll move on to the next day. Ooh, okay, stop. Wednesday. Go to the daily. What's the daily looking like? Alright, so the previous month I still in place. Monday, open. We rallied higher. Tuesday, it failed to continue. We had a late news release in New York, tapped into the order block. The idea was basically price reverse from here to continue expanding higher, which of course it did on the 15-minute time frame. The price was quite sluggish due to the late, due to it being late in the New York session, right? So now this is Wednesday. Going to another chart. New York session, midnight open. Now already what I can see is that London session manipulated into this PD array. We got bullish order block, fair value gap, and this right here is a mitigation. Right, we got a low, high, fell swing, displacement with bullish order block, fair value gap, price consolidated here, now expanding higher, and this is 7 a.m. So I'm looking for London to New York continuation. Basically means that price will need to come retrace here before it goes back higher in order for me to entertain it. So we've got call, durable, good orders at 8:30 for our. We came from this rebounds we delivered PDRA right here, and I expect it to continue trading higher. This is a bearish order block, but I don't think that will have any weight in causing any reaction. If anything, I could expect it to come down lower to continue higher. So rebalance redelivered PDRA. This is a fair value gap right there. At institutional for entry drill, 15-minute chart. So from the midnight, low, high, low displacement. This right here is a breaker, also highest up close candle. So I'm gonna be monitoring that as well. I don't think I'll be looking for a second leg, to be fair. First leg should be fine. Breaker, so I got low, high, low, low displacement. Retracement into this fair value got to continue going higher. What does it look like on the 1 hour? Okay. Alright, so New York session, 8:30. Oh, it's going aggressive in here. Tapped into it. And it's pushing. So it looks like most likely I'm going to be getting a second leg delivery from here. I can already see that price is rejecting off the breaker. I came tapped into it, now it's pushing higher. Let's see what price do after the news release. This is 8:30. 8:30 news release. I'm not gonna jump the gun. It's pushing higher. The next 15-minute leg should offer clarity. Pushing. Okay. So I've got bullish order block right here. Fair value gap. No, this is 5 minute fair value gap. I could enter here, really, I could. But at the same time, I'm wondering, since we this close to the previous day high, previous month high, I could wait for this candle to close, see if it offers a fair value gap. And if it doesn't offer a fair value gap, then I could obviously allow this to go. So you've still got 5 minutes before the 15-minute candle close. This is the second leg being offered right here, but this is an energetic candle, so let's see how we reject off of this bullish order block. And it looks like it's rejecting away. Don't see any fair value gaps being created. So, see, and it's rejecting away from here. So I'm gonna entertain this actually, because reason being, we've got this market structure shift that happened right here. Got a breaker. Price came and tapped into the breaker, right? And it displaced higher. We've got a bullish order block displaced. And candle open, they failed to attack this previous candle low. So these lows are being respected. It's the open low high close delivery, right? And let me go into the 5 minute. So if in the 5 minute, we've got another fair value gap right here. It looks like price would like to respect this fair value gap. Given the fact that we also have the previous move high up here, I doubt that price is likely to reject from here, right? Now, what this is Wednesday 8:45, and I expect price to continue trading higher from here. So again, Euro GBP, which one of these is the strongest? I'm expecting strong dollar. Institutional refinery drill, bullish order block, so Euro is stronger. And then we got these highs right here, we could still attack. Yeah, so we got weak GBP, bearish order block mitigation, 5 minute. I could enter here and put my stop loss on this high. Looking to sell this. And I'll have my stop on this high right there. And let's see if we can go for a 2 or if not, we just call it. There you go, place. I'm gonna go for 1% risk on this. I'm confident on the trade. And if we take a loss, obviously it'll just be down back to 2%. But the way I go about my platform challenges anyway, I build a 3% buffer and I'll risk 1%. I'm cold by the way, that's why I'm shaking. So let's see, flip this sideways. DXY is there, 15 minute. Okay. Change this to 10 seconds. I'll manage to trade on the 15. Okay, let's see what happens from here. This is my target. Second leg entry, by the way. And yeah, let's see. Let's watch. As this is going up, I'm going to be looking to shave my risks on the trade. Okay, grace expanding. Okay, see where we at on the 5 minute. Let's go moving fast. Okay, let's go. I'm not in a hurry to shave my risk just yet. Just trying to see. The only annoying thing about this is the fact that you could easily get front run depending on what this pair is doing, right? At some point, if this pair starts going down, it basically means that Euro US GBP is stronger than stronger than Euro. At that point, this trade could easily flip on me. That's why it's always important to just monitor them. So let's see. This looks good so far. I'm happy to shave my risk off the trade at this point. Minimize my risk on the trade up to here. And let's see if it's gonna continue going down or high. Okay. So what does euro doing? Euro's going up. I do not want to see it go anywhere past this point at all. Let's just see what happens. And if it goes past that point, it's okay because obviously we have already shaved off majority of the risk on the trade. So we can only expect it to continue shooting. Because I'm risking 1%, that's £1,000 on this trade essentially, right? Now I'll be losing less. This is not moving as much as I want it to. Let's see. Let's see what's euro doing. Is euro moving? No. Okay. Just watch. At this point, I'm looking to go BE. I can't lie. I don't like the sideways choppiness right here. Um, it's dancing around here too much. Decisions. I'm still keeping this here. I want to see it move higher. So from what I can see right now, DXY obviously is consolidating. What comes after consolidation is an expansion, right? Now, I think my stop loss might get tagged before I even expand. But we'll have to wait and see what happens. Come on, push down. Let's see. Close. Come on. Now, as you can see, this is expanding. There you go. So I took a loss on that trade. It consolidated, went high, and then it just dropped back down. It failed to continue going. But the main important thing is I risked 1,000 on the trade. I've only just managed to lose less out of that. That's why it's important for you to shave. Maybe what I could have done is basically gone break even when we came here. Since I noticed prices continuing to consolidate, I could have mitigated my losses, but well, I still, at least I didn't lose 1,000 on this trade, so that's fine. Now, I'm gonna reassess again and see where we are. So, for our PD array, move on to the next day. I don't like the fact that price is basically teasing this level right here. It's teasing it. We've not run it just yet, we're just there, but it's not getting there quite yet. Alright, so what day is it today? Wednesday, so it's Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We've run previous day lows right here. Previous day lows been run. Previous day lows run at the bottom. Okay, so we got a daily fair value gap. We haven't filled 50% of it, but we dipped into it, and price is basically rejecting at this point, right? So go into the 4 hour. After we run a previous day low, this is London session essentially. Got a bullish order book. This is a key level, and most likely will expand higher. On Thursday, we've got unemployment claims, and I think Thursday and Friday might just be the expansion that could run this high. If not, we could potentially do it on we could do it today. So remove all this. Let's done an odd way. Okay. And another thing, like if you obviously do trade, you just always want to have a good framework, key areas where you look for your trade setups. You want your trade executions to look identical, right? That's how you can see how consistent your model is in every um season, because each month is different, right? You just want to see how it holds against a number of trades, not just specific days. That's why for me, I just put like a whole year worth of data to go through so that I get to see how consistent my trading model really is. How many consistent losses do I have in a row before I start winning again, or how many consistent wins I get in a row before I start losing again. All that is important to know so that you can manage your risk accordingly. Now, right now, I'm of course down. I'm down 1% essentially because I risked half a percent, I believe. I started off with 1,000, 3,600. Now I'm down to 2,700. So almost 1% essentially is gone right now. So I'm gonna just risk 0.5. If I win 1%, it should bring me back to break even. Alright, so what is 4 hour? We run a previous day low. This is rebounds redelivered, which price dipped into, right? Rebounds redelivered. Good stage right here. Bullish order block expansion high. I'm still favoring this high to get run. 1 hour, this is midnight open. London Judas came and ran the previous day low. Now we're trading away from it. So I'm expecting New York continuation really. So what do we have? Got low displacement and up so this really is just mitigation right here. Institutional financial drill and mitigation right there. The fair value gap I'm looking to get filled is this one. A retracement into here to go higher. I'm still long on dollar. Let's see how we go. Okay, so price came in here sooner than expected, but it's fine. We can go for a second leg. Second leg is in here. All right. Don't like this setup. It's not the cleanest at all. And if retracement don't come, then gonna have to let it go. Daily range. Okay, let's see what this is 30 minutes looks like. Is that fair value gap? 30-minute fair value gap right there. Okay. It's expanding higher. I think this might just be a trade that takes off really. Might not even be an entry offered on here. We'll see how you get on. And it's already late in London, in New York, sorry. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm gonna have to call this So what does 30 minutes look like? Institutional refinery drill probably is gonna go higher. Since it's not my entry, so I won't like that. Dipped into that. Yeah, no. Okay, forget this. Came deeper. And it will expand higher and higher and higher. Yeah, I'm gonna move on to the next session. So that high is still there, still not being run. Let's see what does the daily look like. For me, this just looks sideways. Now we've run a previous daily on Thursday. I expected this to be the low of the week. What Friday's done, we opened here, run previous day low. It looks like it's pushing down. And 4 hour candle, it run previous day high, got a bullish order block right here. Not the cleanest delivery, or I would have favored us to go higher to attack those. But let me see what does the New York session got to offer. I'm still long on this. Got 4 hour bullish order block. Got 15-minute institutional order for entry trail. Where's the 1 hour market open? New York session. Right here. And you candle open. I want to see this fair value gap get disrespected. That will be our inversion. And this could potentially be a break on standby because we got this low, high, lower low, higher high. The moment we close above this, I'll be expecting bullish price. Okay, so market structure shift. So that becomes the break and all. Market structure shift. There you go. And then we've got this breaker. I don't want to mark everything, just want to keep the chart clean. Okay, we still below the midnight opening price if we go into the 15-minute, which we are actually. Got all this market maker buy model resting up here. So let's see how price turns out after the New York news event. Bullish order block. I don't expect the New York reversal to be fair. It's coming down, rebounds redelivered. I expect nothing but a reversal from here. Okay, news release. It's going against my bias. Now I see what price wanna do. This invalidates my trades because I expected this candle to trade into this fair value gap, push higher to make this an order block, and would have had like a fair value gap right here to continue. But it looks like he wants to continue going down lower. Let's just see what happens from here. Yeah, so I'm offside right here. This will probably continue tanking. Now it's pushing higher. Is there a late news event? Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so basically, I don't know what's happening here. Let's see what's the news event. Got news release, Fed Chair speaking. Well, that's obviously, yeah, 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Sorry, prices pushing higher. Like, and it's continuing going down lower. This looks like it's going for the daily fair value gap right here. I was quite disappointed because I really expected us to go higher to rate that, but it didn't go. So maybe this will probably offer enough volatility for it to continue going higher. This is outside my trading hours. I will not be looking to trade anything after this. Alright, so we remove that. Go back. Session. So that session we've had two losses. We've had two losses in this session, which is fine. But the main important thing is that no real damage is made onto the account. You know, but the trading thing is a give or take, right? You're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some, but it's important to make sure that your losses never outpace your winning trades. One sec, let's see if I can go down here and then to trade analysis. There you go. So on Wednesdays I've lost about 1,700, and on Wednesdays I've won 2,500. This is important thing. The main thing is managing your risk, ensuring that your losses doesn't always outperform your winners. That's why having calculated risk on your trade is always important. So we've had two losing streaks so far, but none of them was heavy losses because I know if I see a trade up that I'm not 100% sure, and I'll still take that trade setup because I believe in my strategy, but I'll reduce my risk on the trade. So remove trade drawings weekly. There is no reason why we shouldn't run this high. If we have a look into the monthly, we are close to this high, very close to it. It doesn't make sense for price come this close and just reverse, like it don't make any sense. We're looking for this high. I'm going for this high. We need to run this high. So new week candle, sorry. Now from where we are we likely to retrace all the way down here to fill this fair value gap before we run this high? Most likely not. Now, we've got Fridays that sets Monday up perfectly because we've swept previous day low, filled this daily fair value gap. This is an institutional order flow entry drill. That is swing point created right here. So I'm expecting this candle to manipulate slightly and expand higher to attack this buy side liquidity right here. Now, let's see. This is the final week of August, and we also probably got NFP on Friday. NFP on Friday, right? And of course, we've got FMC plus NFP, unemployment claims. Thursdays in general, day before NFP, I don't like to trade it. The first week of NFP as well, it's not really favorable. So this sets Friday up nicely for the next day. Now, where I'm looking for to trade just to set a trade is in here. This fair value gap right there. Why? If you have a look, we've got sell side liquidity taken. Sell side liquidity taken. Right? We got a breaker right here. Highest up close candle. So it's low, high, low, low, and displacement. The highest up close candle is this right here. This is the breaker and we've got a fair value gap, right? Now if we just do this, 1 hour, I would want to see a retrace, but it looks like we might not even get that. So London session, most likely, London or Asia might run it. We've run that. Okay, cool. Let's see. Now this was my drawn liquidity. Now we've rated that liquidity. I'm gonna have to watch and assess to see what price has to do now. Are we gonna reverse or are we gonna continue going higher? Liquidity rated inside of this fair value gap. If we do get an institutional reference trade to go higher, I'll be interested. If not, I would want to see a retracement up here to go down lower. But overall, previous month has been run. Let's see how we approach this. See where we are in New York session. There you go. And this looks like a good stage to go higher. We got the breaker. Got 855. Now I want to see it push higher to disrespect this fair value gap for me to entertain any long positions and have like a fair value gap on this side to take it higher, right? Let's see. If we're still bullish, this fair value gap should get disrespected. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the fair value gap is being respected. This is now 10 a.m. I would let this go, to be fair. We've got a good stage, but let's see. Going late into the session, failed most likely. It might continue going higher, but around this time the market tends to get dead. Go to the next session. I'm taking it easy. We've already run my target, so most likely the price will continue dropping down lower from here. So previous week high slash month's been run. Looks like price just reversed. Weekly profile. All we have in is Monday placing the high of the week, potentially, but we'll have to wait and see. My draw will be this fair value gap right here. Buys, shifts, daily. So the 4 hour, for previous month high rated, displacement, a consolidation right here. Let's see. Tuesday, consumers, institutional differential prices pushing higher. The midnight opening price. Midnight opening price. This candle right here. This 4 hour is a good area for price to go higher. Got this fair value gap. I'm overall bearish on this weekly candle, but I see a good stage for price to go higher. Let's see if we can frame a good position to go higher. to attack this market maker sell modus. Okay, price is going. Do we have a retracement in here? So we're gonna go down lower. Boom. This is where I'm gonna look to be a buyer. Now let's see. Got low. How it fell swing displacement. This is mitigation block. Price retrace and tapped into it. Displace. Got fair value, got filled, and we dipped into here. Got 5 minute market maker buy models. We still got these up here as well. For our stage, we filled into here. Institutional order for entry drill. 1 hour. This is a rebalance redelivered area. And also obviously we got this high, low, high, high. Got high, low, failed swing displacement mitigation block. I'm favoring this to be a sell. This is Tuesday, 4 hour. It's pushing high, so it got strength on euro. Midnight open. Midnight open price is right there. Now let's see. I'm in two minds with this trade. We've got a good stage right here. This low rated bullish order block. We got a breaker. We got fair value gap up there. Price I've rated the previous month high. Displaced aggressively. What I'm expecting is an institutional order for entry drill to continue going high to fill this before we continue rallying down. And also we've got fair value gap bullish order, bearish order block. Price tapped into is pushing down lower. The low of the day is made in London. If this is a true low of the day, I don't expect these lows to get attacked. But I'm still gonna take this trade anyway. And let's see what euro looks like. Yeah, it's overshooting now. We haven't done that, so reasonable SL placement, which candle has seems reasonable to start my place. I think that let's go for 11 pips stop loss. This 15-minute market maker sell model right here. Relative equal loss. Place. I'm going for 0.5. Save. See. DXY. Now I'm watching. If price starts to breach this low right here, I'll be out the trade. Let's see how this pan out. Come on. I expect it to reject from there. It's pushing down, okay. That's a good entry, that. I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. That's my chin see. Mm, 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 mm. Why is this moving so slow? Put it through, Reeves. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like this is going against me. I'm just gonna hold it. Okay, gonna put it there. Shave myself to there, actually, let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna look to go to BE from here. There you go. Mitigate any loss on the trade. This is gonna be a winning trade, I think. I shaved my stop loss too fast. But there you go, at least it's a winning trade. You got a winning trade right there. If I left it, could have been a winning trade. But I just didn't like how it came this close. Stop loss was still safe. This low right here, this is a low that I did not want to see price breach right here. But the fact that the delivery was too heavy, I didn't feel comfortable holding that trade anymore. But I mitigated my stop on this trade, so I didn't take any damage on it. But still, framework was good. It delivered into what the fair value gap I thought price would. Where's the 4 hour? There you go. It went to the target I wanted it to go to. But this is what I look for. 4 hour PD area fair value gap institutional financial trade to go higher. A valid trade. Was good. I think I might have took a loss on that. Let's just go back and view this. Last time I checked it was 8. Let's see, session. Okay, so it's still classed as a win, so even though we didn't win anything, I would class that as a BE trade to be fair. Let's see, session. Yeah, so it just won like $36 on that. But still, I should have just held it a little bit more, but it is what it is, right? This is a trade that I missed out. One thing though is that if I do find a good trade setup and I manage the risk well enough, okay, to the point where I'm not losing anything, or I feel that the trade is expanding and going to the direction I want it to go to, I do not chase because I already have a framework, areas where I look for trades, setups, right? And this right here is a good prime example. I said price will come in here, it came and tapped into it. Or we rejected from here. What I really like to see is price just expand higher. I don't like when it does that. It just literally rejects from here, open, it goes high, fails to continue just going. It just shows like it wants to go down. Next candle come and pushes down again. This right here is just the wick doing the damage. It's not ideal to just stay there and hope that price will continue with reverse. You know what I mean? Because if you have a look, that right there, if it, the way it closed, there's no way you would have said, okay, you know what, price will just continue going higher. At this point, this is my invalidation level right here. This candle, it opened, it had no wick on there, no manipulation. So seeing that go like literally opening and just continue going higher, what it would have made me think this bearish order block right here would tap in and reject, which it did. But this candle just continued expanding higher and higher. You got market maker buy model up here. But what would have made me comfortable is if this candle opened, maybe rate that and then continue going higher, or it just takes off like these candles took off. But that right here, that's what made me feel uncomfortable holding that trade. But still, overall, it was good. If I had left it, of course, it would have won. But nah, I'd rather see risk when I feel like it's going against me rather than sit down and take a full-blown stop loss, right? But yeah, so I look for my trade setups at key logical areas. Now, uh, session. Still trying to get used to this new FX replay. It's just weird. I like the old one, but with this you get to have a really realistic candle print, so it's just one of those ones, isn't it? Now we move on to the next day. Post NFP. Next, go to the next session. Wednesday. Bullish order block again. I'm still bullish. I think price will still continue pushing higher. I think it'll still continue pushing higher. Let's previous stay high right here. Buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. For our now, if we don't get expansion higher, the next 4 hour open potentially could come in here and continue going higher. But let's go into the midnight opening price. Just change this music quickly. Oh, dang. Just change this music quickly. I'm going to Rakim. Alright. Okay, so midnight open price, post NFP. So since midnight open price, we've had a shallow protraction down here and price expanded higher. It's just going aggressively higher, right? Going to the 4 hour, or bullish order block right here. Accept the previous Asia range. Basically, this is Asia. Just look quite consolidated, a bit rated that price pushed. We got 15-minute fair value gap still open and expanding higher also. I think this line right here might get rated, but I don't like how price just expanded aggressively like that. It just, nah, don't like this at all. See where we are in 8:30. Fair value gap field displacement. Institutional for entry trail. This area could still get revisited, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, so fair value gap failed. let's see, 15. Okay. News event plus NFP. Now it's gonna probably continue expanding higher until 1 minute. Good, good. I like this. And this 5 minute. Although hello displacement breaker. I would favor to go higher to be fair. 8:30. Just need to see the next candle print. Yeah, like that. Looks like we might continue going down lower. Yep. So we got a good stage for bearish price action. Price action. This candle right here, I would want to see it go attack that, but it looks like it's reversing. We got a good stage right here, bearish order block, fair value gap. We got London Judas. Alright, fair value gap filled right there. This looks like it's pushing down lower. So what I'll do is I'll see if I can entertain these market maker sell models right here. On the 5 minute, they look real consolidated above midnight open. Next 15-minute candle, if it creates a fair value gap, we could entertain a short. Okay, close, 15-minute close. There we go. Institutional fine trader right here. These two institutional fine trader on here. Cleaner. Buy. Could enter stop loss down here. But which one is stronger of the two? For our circle expansion higher. So we've got strong euro, weak dollar. Weak dollar, I'm expecting it to be weak. 4 hour, it's a new 4 hour open as well. So could they potentially do an institutional for entry drill and go down? I'm in two minds because these are two good stages. It's either that it goes down or institutional for entry drill goes higher. So personally, I would favor this to go down low, but I'd rather just leave it and see how this pan out. There you go. Target lead, target rated. Let's say for example if I did have entered right here on euro. Where was the candle? It was here. If I had entered, put my stop somewhere down here, it would have still won. But I'd rather take trades where I'm too sure if it's going either both ways. That's gambling. And I don't view myself as a gambling trader. But, you know, I'm gonna let Thursday go. Day before NFP. Sluggish price action, don't really expect anything. Friday go as well. Skip to NFP. Let's see if we can predict NFP. DXY. The buy sell liquidity target expected to get rated, got rated, no? Okay. Bullish week. Might we run a previous week high? I would favor price to continue going down from here now after we run a significant liquidity pull. Fair value got filled right here. And for hour we fill the fair value gap. And let's see what does the lower time frame got to say. And it's pushing higher. Okay. This looks like a good framework for an entry, but it's an FP, so I wouldn't really want to touch that. It's not even the horizontal. I think I might have to do these more. It's midnight opening price. Fair value gap needs to be filled. I think NFP is probably gonna go higher. Okay, so it's going down lower. Okay, that's fine. Filled that. Liquidity purged in it. Continue going down lower. Cool, cool, cool. This is a 30. 5 minute opening and shut. And then later on down session. Continue going higher, so remove that. First week of the month. Done. No real damage done to the capital. Still close to 1% drawdown after 2 trades. Now at this point, directional bias is quite hard because we are in a new month. Previous month high is being raided. I would expect it to continue going down lower, but the month has just been expanding higher and higher. At some point, we could frame a reversal, but the next candle, this is going to be on a daily chart, should be a high right here. Yeah. Okay, so Friday doesn't really offer anything interesting. So second bank holiday on Monday. I'm just gonna let Monday go. It's not even worth entertaining now. Okay, so we got Tuesday now. We got, so previous week high has been Bryan. Could be a reversal from here. On Monday we run previous week high. Just trying to find me some good music quickly. You'll like the music. There you go. Our previous week high has been run. This week high. Yeah. It ran out on Monday. Tuesday I'm expecting to continue going down lower. Previous week low seems too far away. Without draw, I could focus on this previous day low for the time being. So sell our liquidity target for the meantime. Work our way down the range. Monday. Downside UNR. Downside UNR. It's midnight open. Okay, so we run a previous week high. Go for our fair value gap field. I would expect the next one to continue trading down lower. This institutional entry drill fair value gap field. So I look for. Midnight open. We didn't really have any manipulation into London session. Open, we went down, pushed up, filled the fall, fair value gap, and I would want to see continue going down. Okay, it's pushing higher. As the 4 hour looks like. Got bearish order block rebalance, redelivered. Gonna get reversal from here, New York reversal. See what news events we have on Tuesday. Nothing. The only real news event we've got on this week really is the EBC and Fed chair. On Thursday, nothing else. Got FOMC meetings. Wednesday, FOMC meetings again. This looks like a low probability week to be fair, so I'm just gonna be selective with my trades. This doesn't look like the cleanest one as well, so I might just have to let this go. But let's see what we got. I'm expecting a reversal from here. Are we gonna respect this bullish order block or disrespect it? I want to see it disrespected, but okay, price is respecting it. It's pushing higher. Okay, so that invalidates my trade again. It's pushing higher. Price continue pushing higher. And potentially we might want to go higher again. And this is low probability week. Move on to the next day. 4 hour sideways fair value gap field and it's pushing higher. At this point it's hard to say because I have no data on this side to target. Tough decisions, tough decisions. Okay. We've run a previous day high. We got this gap filled on Tuesday, pushing high. Previous day high has been run. Previous day rated 4 hour fair value gap filled. It's gonna continue going higher. 100%. No point having this down here. Got low, high, low displacement breaker. Today's Wednesday. FOMC meeting later on. No news event on Wednesday. Midnight open. Build midnight opening price. Got the high, low, high displacement, market structure shift, but so I'll indicate price will continue going higher. So I think this high right here would be buy side liquidity. Expansion, new one now kind of open. Got a fair value gap down there. Let's just see what we got going on. 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, it's continue pushing higher. It's going. Institutional financial drill. Gonna let this go. It's not my setup. even if it's gonna go higher, not taking that. It's a shit week this. Liquidity prorated. This institutional order for entry trail right here could have been traded, but I'm gonna take that. Cause simply there is also a fair value gap down here. Got a bullish order book protected. Most likely couldn't have, but I just don't feel like comfortable taking that. Got a breaker. Price getting tapped into it. It's just going. It's not ideal because from here to the target is just uh, 15 pips. For 26 pip move. Not bad, but I just don't feel comfortable taking that. I'd rather be selective with my trades. This just looked too choppy for me. Okay, so move on to the next session. Thursday, a late New York session trade potentially. Good. Okay, so this looks like we could potentially be reversing from here. Wednesday, high of the week being placed. That's Monday right here. Tuesday, high of the week. Thursday could potentially continue the expansion lower. Previous day low in range. Easily read that. Take this, put on here. Sell side liquidity. But understanding the daily directional bias and trying to find a good um, high time frame logical area where you can execute your trade. Still got this fair value gap open right here. I'm wary of that. And the low, previous day low might get rated before we come here, potentially. I'm also wary of that. But I'm just monitoring what price does at 8:45 of the ECB press conference release that could offer a quick week in here before we could rate it, which is what I ideally want, before we rate this previous day low. News work into that and then push down lower. All this low resistance liquidity we can rate. Let's just go down here, remove that. That's the midnight opening price. Up here. This looked too clean. Relative equal highs. Good stage for price to come and read. Previous data's been taken. Okay, so the next 15 minutes, are we gonna expand higher? This is going, still got more data to come out. Yes. Now, 210. Are we gonna get a reversal from here? Most likely. Let's see what price has to do from here. Just gonna watch. I'm watching 15-minute candle close. This is strong displacement. This shows price will intend to come down. Alright, so from here, I don't see any fair value gap right here. And this looks like a relative equal highs. Here, got 10, 24, 1, 10, 24, 1. On the 50-minute relative equal highs as well. Let's see what happens. This might just be a late New York close killers on trade. Okay, let's see what's happening. We tapped into the bearish order block. I'm gonna stay on the 5. Just see if we can get an entry. Let's push in. Good. Does 15-minute look like? Let's watch and see. It's a patience game this and being disciplined, you know. That's all it is. I know what I'm looking for, and I'm not gonna chase price. And if he doesn't come, he don't come. Okay, we're 4 minutes. A fair value gap right there. Let's see if that will get filled. Okay, so we got that 15-minute fair value gap created right here. If this candle starts to reject away, I'm interested. Okay, so it looks like he doesn't want to do that. But why would he call that high? What's the next candle? 5-minute open. Let's see what happens. 15-minute. Decisions. Got 15-minute. Price is rejecting. Strong displacement above the midnight open. I'm happy to take this trade, even though there isn't a fair value gap right here. Got a bearish order block. Price is gonna continue going down. 1 hour. We failed to do that. This is a rejection away from the 4 hour right here. If we go into the 1 hour right here, we got what? What is that? We got high, low, high, high displacement. We got breaker. Price is rejecting off this breaker. And if we've got it's just above that 50%. See, don't think we're likely to go higher, so it does look like a valid trade to me to take, even though there isn't a fair value gap off the simple fact we do have a 4 hour breaker up here. It's the lowest down close candle price came and tapped into that 15-minute displacement in New York session, so I think I could easily squeeze out some odds on this one. Let's see. These two. And institutional order for intraday 15-minute again. Cool. Go in there, pushing. For go strength. GBP. I see some SMT. Previous candle was not rated. So I'm expecting this to tank, go down lower and higher. Euro USD. 19 pips. It's a lot. I fed that down to like 15 pips, not even 14. Let's keep it on 13 and not be greedy. I'm gonna watch out for these highs first. See if we can get explosive high. Place order. see what does that look like on the 15. I think that is a greedy of a stop loss, but we'll see, we'll see. DXY. Because this low, I don't expect it to get rated from here, to be fair. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, price is expanding. I'm gonna shave my stop. I'm gonna go break even on this point as it's pushing. Let's go. We're going break even. Stepped out the trade. Now it looks like you may just wanna go down. And yeah, just didn't go. Just cool. At this point, I wouldn't want to be in the trade anymore. So I'm just gonna see how it pans out. 11 is just gone. Let's see if we put down. It would have eventually won, but no, I wouldn't want to be in this trade anymore. So for me, once I see expand, I'm shaving to BE, bro. I'm shaving to BE. Despite it winning, if you got real risk on the trade, there's no point holding it. At the moment it starts pushing away against you, shave to BE. I like it when I enter a trade and it starts expanding like this and it continue rallying. I don't like it to dance around my SL, bro. But yeah, that's another trade out of the way. I'm gonna call it a day here. Tomorrow's Thursday. I might live stream tomorrow. So let's see how we did. We've had few break-even trades. We had a few big break-even trades at 2 losses, but overall the damage was kept to a minimum. So session analysis. Okay, 22 trades, right? I've managed to mm, go BE on 2 trades. So from here, I've gone higher, and of course I took 2 losses. But you see how I managed to steady my equity. From here, I had 2 good wins, then I had 2 losses, and of course I believe one I must have shaved it here. Yeah, this is the second trade that I lost. where I kept the damage minimum, right? And then of course it's just been steady. We've had two break-even trades, but so far I had two consistent losses. Prior to me streaming, I've had two consistent wins. Average win rate is about basically 5 wins, so I'm happy with that. I trade in New York, but majority of the time, as you can see, my lose is always is less compared to my winners. That's why it's important for you to manage your risk. If you have a strategy that you know works, always just ensure that you manage your stop loss. This is obviously a new session that I created, but I've got way more sessions that I've got. Let's see, I've got many sessions that I created. All these, they're all sessions, but all that is relevant anyway. But overall, win rate, this will fluctuate. It will always go up and down, depending on the trades. But out of 53 trades, 31 win and 22 loss is not bad at all. Average win rate, again 5. Average lose rate is 3, so it's not too bad. But I'm gonna call it quits. That's enough charts for me today. But before I actually stop the stream, just want to see what DXY got for tomorrow. So we've got unemployment claims, got retail sales for the USD CAD, and then cost PCE. Monthly candle fair value gap is filled right here. So if we just use see the fair value gap filled 50%, we're over the 50% of this fair value gap right here, consequent encroachment. I would ideally want to see a reversal at some point for it to go down. But we just had the crazy FOMC meeting, so the market is quite bullish at the moment. So just have to let this week go just to see where we are. What I can see right now, we got fair value gap filled and pushed higher, bullish order block right here. So this is a key level. Now it's either price will continue going higher to attack these highs, or we could reverse from here. At this point in time, I don't really know. We'll just have to wait for the next few prints until next year to actually identify what is the directional bias of the dollar. And then of course we've got the bond yields. The level got marked out, rated. Weekly fair value gap. Looks like it's what it's felt is basically going for. Once we get into this fair value gap right here, we might reverse from there. Hence why the dollar is going higher at the moment. So we'll just have to wait and see. Euro USD is gonna go down. Sorry, GBP of course is gonna go down. Euro USD going down. CAD it's just consolidating. It's not really doing anything special. My eyes are on these relative equal highs on the weekly and daily. This just looks like a clean market maker buy model. Accumulation, manipulation, and we're gonna just distribute higher. I got a key level right here. Daily fair value gap. I'm gonna see get filled. And then it will continue going higher. Okay, levels. If I just use, let's see if we could use a standard deviation on this. I don't even have a set for the standard deviation, so let's just go to come into that, push higher. Gold, due to the dollar being obviously bullish, gold is tanking. Filling this fair value gap right here. No, it could reverse to go higher, or it may just continue going down. Key levels are got marked out. But I think personally we might come and take out this previous week potentially, but just have to wait and see. What's the photo we're looking like? Maybe this photo fair value covers the stage for it to reverse. Market maker buy models. Just be monitoring this. But yeah, that's the stream for today. Got two break evens, two loss. But yeah, that's it.